I'm going to be a big sister. Now back to the video.
Here are the materials you're going to need for this project. Here's how you're going to get your skirt pieces, so you just take a second to look this over. You're going to cut 2 different pieces of fabric for your skirt, and you're going to cut elastic that fits your waist. We're going to take our fabric pieces and move one to the side. Put the skirt piece right sides touching. We're going to pin down this edge, and we're going to sew it. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other piece of fabric. Put it right sides touching, pin down the side seam, and sew it. Now with one inside out and one right side out, we're going to put one inside the other, right sides touching. Line up that seam and pin it all the way around. Once we have it all pinned, we're going to sew all the way around. Once it's sewn, we open it up, it'll look like this. What we're going to do now is we're going to iron down both sides by 1/2 inch all the way around. And we're going to do the same thing on this side as well. Once we have it ironed down, it'll look like this. Now we're going to take one of our sides and we're going to push it into the other, making wrong sides touch. We're going to line up those edges and we're going to pin it, making sure to match up the seam and pin all the way around. When we sew this, we're going to sew super close to the edge, but we're going to leave about a 2-inch gap to put elastic in. Once that's sewn, we're going to take our elastic and we're going to see how big our casing needs to be. Mark it out on our skirt, and then we're going to sew a line underneath where the elastic would go all the way around. And this will make our casing. Now we have that opening at the top. We're going to put a safety pin onto our elastic that fits around our waist measurement. Put it into the hole and put our elastic all the way through the casing. Once it's all the way through, we're going to take our ends of our elastic and sew it together. Put it back in our casing and close that top hole. If you want to, you can roll out the bottom and make sure that it's flat and then top stitch it down, but I chose not to. And now you have yourself a reversible skirt. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
See you next time. Bye.